She's confused.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. You live in a zoo. You look like a monkey, and you smell like one too. Oh, yum yum yum! Always good stuff.
Feeding the baby. That's
Give it to me.
marvelous. Ah, Sam, I know it's so good.
All right, Jess.
Nick.
You watched. We gotta go.
Gonna take the spoon.
Bye.
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 Oh my god.
That is
Shove it in there.
Rhubarb strawberry pie for you.
Look at the plate's clean. One more big spoonful for you, Sammy. Yum. You rock, Sammy.
I won't see people like that in Sherman doing that.
Yeah, no.
No, they eat a small piece of apple.
Look at spoon, look at that.
I love my horse.
I'm going to make a strawberry rhubarb pie for them.
Yeah, nobody bakes it.
Feed it to them with a spoon.
That was gross. That was better. Like last year was all over.
More and more.
It was so good, huh? It's all gone, Sammy. So? That was marvelous.
Says, oh, you're a good cook.
Want some more? That's good. It's clean. Now my hands are sticky. Want some more? Yes, please. I could probably stick a whole pie pan in it.
You go.
That was a good piece, huh, Sammy?
Sticky hand.